Hello everyone, welcome back. Wisdom Wednesday for today, Proverbs chapter 9 verse 10. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and knowledge of the Holy One is understanding. Now this verse provides for us a profound insight into the essence of wisdom and understanding. It emphasizes that true wisdom starts with a deep reverence for God, described here in this verse as the fear of the Lord. Now this fear isn't about being afraid, but rather about recognizing God's authority, holiness, and wisdom. Now, this verse also connects wisdom with knowing the Holy One intimately. And this teaches us that understanding comes from a personal relationship with God. And this relationship involves knowing His character, His ways, and His teachings. So, in essence, Proverbs chapter 9, verse 10 teaches that authentic wisdom and understanding is rooted in acknowledging God's sovereignty and seeking to know Him deeply. So if you're seeking for wisdom, Proverbs chapter 9 verse 10 provides for us a foundational principle. And what is that principle? To pursue wisdom authentically, one must start by acknowledging God and honoring God. This acknowledgement opens the door to a deeper understanding of life, morality, and the world around us, guided by divine wisdom rather than mere human intellect. So if you want wisdom, know God, fear God, and may you make wise decisions today.